I was in the car.
I'm not scared of that shit, bro. Like, either am I, bro. You're here.
What began as a routine traffic stop quickly turned into a tense confrontation when the driver refused to hand over her identification until she was told why she'd been pulled over. As neither side backed down, a simple roadside encounter escalated in ways few expected.
We're on a gray sedan.
Why are you reading my tag and I just came to pull in?
You got your license, registration, proof of insurance?
I do, but first of all,
Step back in the car.
No, because I know my rights, and you just pulled over for no reason.
1245. Step back in the car.
I'm not gonna. I don't have anything. I'm gonna stay right here and talk to you.
Okay.
Because
I'm giving you a lawful order.
I know my rights.
I'm giving you a lawful order.
And I'm giving you a lawful rights. I'm gonna read you your rights in a minute.
Down
okay, I'm gonna sit down. But I'm gonna read you your rights in a minute because I've been to law school. I've been going through law school.
Oh,
I'm gonna read you your rights.
Congratulations. I have 2 reasons for the traffic stop. Give me your license, registration, proof of
insurance. Tell me why first, because I didn't do nothing. I'm just pulling around because I just came from my cousins and now I'm back over here to pull into my apartment.
Okay.
So what did I do?
License, registration,
proof
of
insurance.
insurance.
What did I do for me to give you that?
License, registration, proof of insurance.
Tell me what I did for me to give you that first.
Once I get all your documents, I will give you that.
No, you have to tell me first what did I do.
I just told you.
What did I do?
Once I get all of your information, I will give you.
I didn't do no illegal turn. I just came from around there. I really just came from the stop sign and pulled in. So I didn't understand what he's doing.
License, registration, proof of insurance.
Tell me what I did first, sir.
You are going to go to jail for resisting if you do not provide legal documentation.
Get sued for coming over here for pulling me over for no reason.
Okay.
Was you speeding? I wasn't speeding. We literally just came from around the corner. Nobody was speeding, none of that. So I'm confused. Where's my wallet? Because he's gonna get me off for real. This gonna go bad for him.
Okay.
What did she do? I ain't do nothing. Tell me what I did.
I don't have to explain to you what she did.
Yes, you do.
You're not you.
Okay, well, answer me. What did I do?
When I get all of your documentation, I will provide that to you.
Jalen, give me just a second. I got pulled over, and I'm trying to figure out why he pulled me over. She ain't do nothing. Sir, hold on. He passed. You have to tell me why you pulled me over because you just literally, we're in the cluster and I wasn't even on the main road for you to pull me over.
I am asking for all your legal documentation.
I can give you that, but I need you to give me a legal reason why you pulled me over. Okay, can you give me your
license, registration, and proof of insurance? Again, like I've asked for the 8th time.
Okay, what's your badge number? What's your badge number and your name?
When I get all of your legal documentation,
okay, what's your name and your badge number? Because you just pulled me over for no reason.
Again, I had 2 reasons for the stop.
Okay, so tell me before I give my damn information. Tell me.
That's not how that works.
That is how that works. I done been through this shit before and I done been through law school. So tell me before I give you my stuff. I done been through law school and I know what the is going on. You supposed to read what, you supposed to tell me what I've done. Tell me why you pulling me over. Say first of all, you're supposed to say, hey, I'm pulling you over for this. Now, can I have your license and registration? So tell me why you pulling me over so I can go ahead and hand you my license and stuff. Go ahead and tell me. Why you pulling me? Because you ain't got no reason. Exactly. You ain't got no reason. Like, you ain't got no reason. Can you move from my door? Yes, you can. Move. Okay. Let me call somebody. Like, move from my door. I ain't got no choice but to call him now. Now I gotta call him. Cause what the hell?
Can I get your documentation?
Can you tell me
so
why you
I can explain to you the reason for the stop?
I need you to go ahead and explain to me now.
This is not your stop.
This is my stop. Stay here. This is my stop.
This is not your stop.
This is her mama right now.
This is my traffic stop. I will explain to you the reason for the stop when I get all of your legal documentation.
Okay, tell me my legal reason so I can give you my legal documentation because I can give you my license. Right? Yes, this is how it works.
Okay, give me your license.
Tell me why we doing it.
Give me your license.
Tell me why we doing it. I give you a hot pot. Don't touch me.
Step out of the car.
Here you go.
Step out of the car. Step out of the car. Step out of the car.
I swear to God, y'all finna get sued. I have to the mat because I've been to law school. Y'all finna get sued the oh my daughter, I'm finna sue the y'all. Hey, literally, listen, Kiara, matter of fact, my dad in town. I'm gonna let y'all have this shit because I already know y'all wrong.
You're good, I got her. Get her.
Y'all been out there hopping shit because she ain't do shit.
No, she's good. You don't have to be dangerous. Just watch her.
I swear to God. Sir, don't push me.
Stop, turn around.
Because you just did this for no reason. You didn't even tell me why I was pulled over.
Take a seat.
Okay, give me a second. I need to talk. Give me a second. Okay, can you let me go? I'm not finna go nowhere. I need you to let me go though. Let me go.
Stop.
Tell him to get, excuse me. You need to tell him to get his hands off me right now. Cause I'm not finna run. I'm finna get to the car, but let me go. All right, I'm not gonna
sit down.
Just let me stand, but you ain't gotta keep pushing me. I swear to God. You keep pushing on me like this. I'm finna leave him in your nuts. Kiara, I can't stay calm. He keep putting his hands on me and I'm finna knee him in his nuts for real. Thank you. Stop touching me. Tell him to get his hands off of me.
Sit down.
Well, get your hands off of me.
Sit down in the car.
Okay, so get your hands off of me.
Sit down.
I'm in the car. Okay, I'm gonna sit right here.
Go in the car.
No, I'm
Closing
right
the door.
here. Okay, can you chill?
Go in the car.
I'm calm, sir. I need you to stop.
Go in the car.
I'm good. I'm about to. Okay, can you stop talking to me like I'm not?
Let's go.
I'm finna get in the car.
I tried to reason with you from the beginning. Get in the car.
I'm in the car. Give me a second.
Put your feet in the car.
What was the reason you pulled her over? Okay, she's asking you and you can't tell her. She's asking you and you can't tell her at all. You being nasty. You being racist. This is racist right here. I'm calling. He's being racist. Literally, we was at the stop sign. It don't matter, Mom. We was at the stop sign. He was all looking at her car. She didn't do anything wrong. I'm telling you what happened. We was at the stop sign. He did a U-turn and bust and blocked her in just like that. What did you stop her for? Tell her what he stopped her for so you can give her her ID. That's all he had to do, but he being a nasty wife. Y'all finna get sued. Stop touching me.
Go in the car.
I'm in the car.
In the car, all the way.
I swear to God, you touch me, I'm finna spit in your mouth. On my mama, you stop touching me. Stop touching me.
Go in the car.
Okay,
I'm closing the door.
Right.
Get in the car.
Okay, I'm
Get
gonna
in the
call my
car.
daddy.
No.
Get in the car.
Hold on, is she calling my daddy? Keep out. I swear to God, you gotta stop pushing me. Get your fucking
Hey, she ripped the cuff. Hey, she ripped the cuff.
I'm finna spit on all y'all asses. I'm finna
I got the legs. I got the legs. Hey, coordinate arrest.
Relax.
I'm not gonna pull back because y'all won't
Relax.
I'll relax.
Relax.
Y'all motherfucking relax.
Relax. Relax. Relax.
I swear to God, y'all finna get sued like a y'all finna get sued like a on my daughter.
Lock
on
him
my
up.
daughter. On my daughter.
Make him go.
Y'all must don't know I'm in law school.
Relax.
I'm in law school. All y'all asses finna get out here. I got it. I'm trying to make sure she called my dad.
She can go.
Okay, I need to make sure. Stop touching me.
We'll roll down the window for you.
No, I got it.
Get in.
I'm good, y'all.
You're already under arrest. Get
Please
in.
don't touch me. I got it.
Get in.
I got it, y'all. I need y'all to relax.
Get in.
I'm in. Yeah, right, y'all handle her wrong. Y'all handle her too.
Last warning. Get in.
Get in the car. Do this again.
Just stop. Just stop.
Well, y'all should
You're already
stop.
under arrest.
I don't give a y'all did not have to do that.
Got your hand on the female.
Exactly. He had her all on the ground before he pulled up.
Yeah,
For
see-
no reason.
Don't you think though if she complied it'd be a lot easier?
She asked what was the reason she got pulled over.
And the sergeant's on the way.
Did not tell her at all. What was the reason you pulled us over? Exactly.
What's the reason?
No, you
What
don't.
is the reason?
You do have to have. You got
Gotta
to.
tell her.
What you get out? What you pulled us over for? You gotta tell us. Exactly. Exactly. We gotta stop there. What did we do wrong? Okay, wait.
He's on his way.
Exactly. He's being nasty. He probably don't like black people.
They'll
That's
call
the thing
one.
right there.
If they call one, if she's a bit.
What was the reason we
I
got
don't know because I'm not the one that stopped them. So why you keep yelling at me?
Exactly. Why we was stopped. I was in the car.
Talking about?
I was in the car.
I'm not scared of that shit, bro. Like, either am I, bro. You're here barking off for no reason, not even involved. That's my people. All right. I'm trying to get you answers. If you don't want answers, then you can take your ass somewhere else. None of y'all answer yet. Hey, man, none of y'all answer yet. Oh, all that barking don't mean shit. I don't give a but I got bad you wouldn't be talking about. Right. Because you know me, right? Yeah, you don't know me. You mean? Because you know me though, right? Same guy that's whooping on her, right? Same guy whooping on your mama, right? Same guy whooping on his mama, right? Tough guy. I ain't touching him. Okay.
Just hush. Where's the sergeant?
He's coming.
How
about you get that with me?
My name is Lady Harrow.
How about you get that with me though? Hey,
What? Stop.
I need my ass whooped. I'm finna pass out.
Okay.
I'm finna pass out. Don't touch me.
I gotta secure.
Stop, because I need somebody else.
Victor.
Get somebody else. Stop.
I need to secure you. Yeah, she keeps slipping.
Because,
I'm getting your ass whooped.
Hey, I need to put your cuffs.
y'all don't even know where it's at. Walk me over there.
No.
Your family.
Walk
She'll
me over
get it.
there.
Your friend will get it,
Y'all
okay?
finna have me pass out. If I pass out, y'all really
I
finna.
need to secure you in handcuffs, okay?
No, I got it. No, y'all already got the door closed. You ain't
Yeah, I
got to
need to-
secure
I need
shit. You already got me closed in this mother.
I need just
Close the door.
Turn around and
Close the door.
I need to secure you in
Just
cuffs.
close the door.
I need to secure you in
Close
cuffs.
the door.
We're gonna put a hobble on you if you don't.
No, I need you to close the door.
And I need to secure your cuffs.
Okay, I need
Come
my
here.
ass
Okay,
up.
give me your hands.
Can you do it? Because he's handling me
Okay,
too
go
rough.
ahead. Go ahead.
I'm finna kick your ass in your shit because you handling me too rough.
Stop. Turn around.
Handle me like that again, I'm gonna spit on your ass and I'm gonna kick you in your shit. I'm gonna kick your white ass in your shit.
Turn around.
You grab on me like that one more time.
Do not do that.
Handle me like that one more time, your ass gonna get spit on.
Stop.
I'm not stopping shit. The way he just handled me.
Where's your pump? Where's your asthma pump? Stop. Where's your asthma pump?
Stop handling me, because the way you keep handling me, stop. Can y'all tell him to stop touching me?
It's double lock.
Stop. I need you to get your hands off of me and I'll stop. Get him the away from me.
Owens.
Listen, get him the away from me and then I will calm down. I'm gonna reason with them, but I'm not gonna reason with your ass. Y'all got 10 seconds and I'm finna start spitting. 10 seconds. I'm gonna give y'all ass 10 seconds. I'm gonna give y'all ass 10 seconds. I'm gonna give you 10 seconds. That's what the stop. That's what the I thought. Back the up.
This is the problem.
Now back your ass
Hold
up.
on. This cause
My problem is because his white ass don't pull me up for no reason. That thought me already in the conflict. That's my problem.
this was messed up. She slipped out.
It's okay. I'm on my 5th year in law school and I know my rights. Nobody ran me my rights. Nobody said nothing. I'm on my 5th year in law school. Y'all finna go to jail. Oh, y'all finna lose your job.
That's fine.
Oh.
Relax, baby.
Y'all
Take the tape off.
they finna get, they y'all finna be on the job. This my hair. This my hair.
What's your name, man?
This my hair.
Trying to take his handcuff off. You need
Hey,
to
go get my hair clip. Girl, I need a hair clip.
situated.
Girl, come take my wig off. I need
Chill
a hair
out,
clip. Shut up. Shut the up. Bring my hair clip or something.
No, clip.
I need y'all to shut the up so my friend can hear me on where my hair clip is at. My girl, it's either in my purse.
Where's your asthma pump at? That's what we
Huh? I don't know. Mine held in that car somewhere.
Ma'am, do me a favor, have a seat right here,
Hey,
please.
would y'all chill? I'm trying to tell her with my hair.
We're gonna do that. Do me a favor,
I'm
have a
trying
seat.
to tell her with my hair. So y'all want to do this? Y'all want to do this again? Y'all want to do it again? Y'all want to do this again?
Ma'am, we're trying
Okay, I need y'all to relax. Okay.
Come on.
Why y'all handling me like this?
I'm just holding you up.
I need, first of all, I need y'all to read me something and tell me why I was pulled over.
What do you want from her?
What can we get from her? What can we get from her?
Come on.
What would you like from her? Ma'am,
Come on, let's go.
in the car. All right, come on.
Come on, please. No, we're not doing that. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Ma'am, let's go. Let's go.
You all up on me like
Come on, let's go, please. Don't do that.
nah, they all finna lose their job, so it don't matter. Stop grabbing on my neck. I'm
do
gonna
that.
kick your ass.
Stop.
Exactly.
I'm taking this Northwest, throwing it away.
Yeah, where your cuffs?
Go. Get this at 15 and go.
Big T, nasty. Shut your big mouth ass up. You steady talking.
Okay. Does somebody who's speaking normally want to talk or not? Okay, come on. But you gotta talk normal. I'm not gonna yell back and forth.
That's fine, but look what all this stuff you're causing. Literally. For nothing. We don't even know why.
Ma'am, you're not. You're still yelling. Just take a deep breath. I understand you're upset. That's fine. We can talk, but
you just don't understand. If this was your daughter, he manhandled her wrong. That is my friend. But if that was your daughter, he would manhandle her wrong. Everybody is standing out here. Okay? Listen, we was at a stop sign, okay? Literally, we was at a stop sign. We didn't do a legal turn. We didn't do anything. I got it. Yeah. I'm a Kakabi. Listen. We got stopped. We was at the stop sign. Okay, we did not do no illegal turn. We didn't do anything. He was looking in the car. Okay, and then he busted the Yui. By the time we got there, my mother stayed right there. I was coming over here to see my mother. My mother, 4514.
Oh, we were just over there.
I know.
This your brother right here?
That is my brother.
He got a lot of attitude, huh?
Yeah. Okay. We can't. As soon as we pulled up, he blocked us in. Look, she couldn't even turn nowhere. First thing he do is he hopped out. He like this. Give me your license and everything. So now we're like, okay, so what did I do? Like, did I do a legal turn?
Yeah.
What did I do? He's being nasty. He said, I don't have to tell you anything.
Right.
Just give me your license. Okay, if she's being detained or something, could you at least tell us what she do? She had the ID right there, so she could give him everything.
Yeah.
He pulled. he pulled her out of the vehicle and said she's gonna go to jail for something I don't even know.
Okay.
And they was manhandling her so wrong for nothing.
Okay.
And still we don't know what she did.
Okay.
We don't know. He
That's
was
fine.
being nasty.
I can
and he
find
told
that.
us.
I can find out for you.
But
Like this.
that's so wrong. She did not have a problem showing none of her documentation. He was being nasty like he don't like black people. I'm not understanding. Everything this could have been avoided. He was being nasty like he had a bad day or something.
Yeah.
He never told us what she did wrong. I was in the car. I'm trying to figure out what the hell we did wrong because we was at a stop sign. We literally boom, boom, boom.
All right, you ready for my answer?
Yes.
Okay. Although it's best practice to tell people why you stopped them, so hey, I stopped you for this, or hey, I stopped you for that, it's not required by law or policy, so you don't have to do it. So he doesn't have to. So yeah, I would agree it's best practice, and moving forward, I'll tell him he needs to be telling people what to stop.
He do.
Yeah, I agree with you, but it's not required by law or
Okay, but
policy. So he
still,
doesn't have to, but he should. It's the right thing to do because people want to know why they're getting stopped. So that's the first
We
thing.
did not do
Two,
a legal term. We
that's
didn't even do
fine.
anything. So
I
we still
didn't
don't know
see
why
what
he stopped
happened.
her.
That's fine. I didn't see what happened, so I
Okay.
can't tell you what the reason is.
Okay.
All I can tell you is it's not required that he has to tell you,
Okay.
but it is best practice. He should tell you because
Right, because all that is you're going to jail for nothing.
Well, sometimes it can squash some of this stuff by telling you, but sometimes it can't. 'Cause sometimes people just argue no matter what.
This is what he wanted. This is what he wanted. He came up
Right.
here with a nasty attitude, and literally, like, we just got here.
Okay.
She had her ID in her hand, literally in her hand. He smashed her out the car for nothing.
Right.
Everybody is out here. Everybody seen it.
Did she get out of the car, or he pulled her out of the car?
She opened her door. Got out the car. Okay, and she asked him, "What is the reason why you pulled me over?" He got in her face and said, "Get back in the car." Okay, she got in the car, and he was being all high style. And she said, "Okay, I don't have a problem giving you any of my documentation, but what did I do?" Because literally, we was at the
So
stop
her
sign.
attitude was pretty good.
Huh?
Her attitude was pretty good.
Yeah,
So it devolved pretty bad by the time I got here, though, huh?
Yes,
She was out,
because he dragged her out the car,
Okay.
and she was wondering, like, why are you handling me like this? And now it's two of them. Right? But still don't know why he stopped her.
I'm sorry, baby. Just take a picture of it and send it to them. That's fine. They can keep it. We don't.
Let me see.
Just make it so she can get bonded out faster. Just let one of them can take a picture of it and send it to him, and then she can get out of jail faster.
They are not even making it. It's so unnecessary, like the type of energy. Let me see it, and I will give it to him. I'm working with sergeant because they're being nasty. They don't even know how to talk to people. That's what I'm saying. They treat people like they criminals. I ain't never did nothing like that.
She didn't know her rights because she is.
Yeah, she know her rights. That's what I'm saying. She know it.
She's in school for she's in.
They act like they can just do whatever they want to do and talk to
Have your
people like however.
Can you get your phone? Just take a picture and send it to them.
Still don't know why she got pulled.
So I'll find out for you why she got pulled over, and I'll let you
She
know.
was asking what they were pulling her for. She had it in her hand. That's how you
literally like this. Like this. It's literally his hand was right here, she was right here.
All right.
I'm a law student, I know my rights.
1015 Bravo Foxtrot, 51 to BRC, copy starting.
Kiara! Kiara!
101799.
Get my keys to my car, lock the door. Did you call me? What did he say? Ah! I'm Lena, what's up? It's Peach! I ain't even from this mother. Oh, Lord. Lord, I can't wait. You lose your job. Damn, you lose your job.
As the investigation concluded, officers cleared the scene and the incident came to an end. While opinions may differ on how the encounter unfolded, the Bodycam footage provides a first-hand record of the events, allowing viewers to examine the interaction and draw their own conclusions.